Imagine having a tool that not only predicts what your customers want, but also tells you how to reach them effectively. That is the power of AI in transforming your go-to-market strategy. Stay tuned because today I'll show you exactly how AI can help you dominate your market. Hey there, I'm Tony Koenig from a GTM engineer, owner of Koenig Digital and the Scaling Founder YouTube channel, who is passionate about simplifying complex strategies to show businesses how to grow smarter. And today we're diving into how AI can supercharge your GTM strategy and give you a competitive edge in today's fast-paced market. But here's the thing. If you're not using AI in your GTM strategy, you're leaving money and opportunity on the table. Your competitors are already leveraging AI to outsmart the market. So let's make sure you're ahead of the curve. So let's look at what AI brings to GTM strategies. AI is like having a superpower for your business. It transforms raw data into actionable insights, improves decision making, and automates repetitive tasks. Think about it. AI can analyze customer behavior, predict trends, and recommend the best marketing channels all in real time. This means you can adapt faster and spend your resources more effectively. A startup we worked with used AI to predict which social media platforms was most effective for their audience, and it doubled their reach in just a month. So the second step here, or the second point, is why AI is a game changer for GTM. And this is why. Personalization at scale. It helps create tailored experiences for each customer. Data-driven decisions. It turns overwhelming amounts of data into clear, actionable steps. Then, lastly, efficiency and speed. AI automates repetitive tasks so you can focus on strategy. In today's world, customers expect personalization and seamless experiences. AI ensures you can deliver that without breaking a sweat. So, how do you leverage AI in GTM? Let's talk about how you can do this and your strategy to achieve real results. Step one, market research with AI tools. So use AI platforms to analyze market trends, customer behavior, and competitive strategies. Tools like Google Analytics or SEMrush can give you insights in seconds. Step number two is automate lead scoring and nurturing. AI can rank your leads based on their likelihood to convert and even send personalized emails or messages at the perfect time. Step three is optimize your marketing channels. So AI can identify which channels are performing best and allocate your budget accordingly. For example, if Facebook ads perform better than email campaigns, AI will tell you where to focus. And step four, predictive analytics for sales. AI can forecast future trends, helping you make proactive decisions instead of reactive ones. And a bonus tip is don't forget to continuously test and refine your AI-powered GTM strategy. AI learns as it goes, so your strategy gets smarter over time. You know, um, a client that we work with used AI to actually update the email campaign, and that increased their open rates by 40%, just to showcase the impact. Because we personalize the email, we use some company data, we use some relevant information in the email, and the open rate just shot up. All right. So if you're finding this helpful, hit that button and book a call with me to discuss how AI can transform your business strategy. Right, so there you have it. AI can take your GTM strategy to the next level by making it smarter, faster, and more efficient. If you're ready to future-proof your business, don't forget to subscribe for more actionable tips like this. And hey, if you want to dive deeper, book a call with me today. Let's make AI work for you and take advantage of our offer of 20 free AI enriched leads. So book a call below and I'll give you the leads so that you can actually find out for yourself. I'll see you in the next video. Keep on scaling.